what before video has been described that how you should continue with in your approach to get successful in UPSC exam. Now we will start with first chapter elaboration political science for UPSC 2026. The first chapter in the syllabus for political science paper 1 for the UPSC syllabus is political theory. This is fundamental understanding the key concept, ideology and debate that shape the structure and functioning of political system. Here is an elaboration political theories sections along with the main points. Okay. Political theory, meaning and approach. Meaning of the political theory. Political theory refers to the systematic study of ideas, principles and concepts related to politics and governance. It deals with fundamental questions about the nature of authority, power, freedom, justice, right, democracy and the state. Political theory helps explain the function of the political system, the legitimacy of government, and the relationship between the individual and the state. Main objective of the political theory: explaining political concept. It seeks to define and explain core concepts like liberty, equality, justice, right, and democracy. Normative function: political theory evaluates and critiques existing political systems, offering visions of what an ideal society and government might look like. Historical perspective: it often looks at how political ideas and systems have evolved over time and how they are applied in contemporary settings. Second is approaches to political theory. There are several political approach to studying political theory, each offering a different perspective on how to understand and analyze politics. First theory is normative theory, focuses on what ought to be rather than what is, concerned with ethical and moral questions about how politics should operate. Third is seek to define ideals like justice, liberty, and equality and its established principle for political behavior. Understand with example. Debates about the ideal distribution of wealth, resources in society, that is, it should be equal and merit based, etc. And key thinker of this theory of justice by John Rawls, Plato, and Aristotle. Next theory is empirical approach, focuses on what is relying on the observation and analysis of the political behavior, institution, and processes in the real world setting, uses data, survey, and statistical analysis to understand how politicals operates. Examples: examining voting behavior, how political parties acts, or how policies affects different social group. Key thinker for this was Max Weber and David Eston. Third is behavioral approach, emerged in the mid 20th century, focused on the behavior of individuals and groups in political context, emphasizes understanding political attributes, participations, voting behavior, and how political systems interact with people. Often utilize quantitative methods like surveys and statistical analysis to the study politics. Key thinker Gabriela Almond's Robert Dahl. Fourth is historical approaches, focuses on studying the history and evolution of political ideologies and systems, looks at development of political institutions and how they have changed over time, drawing lessons from the past, example analyzing the rise of democracy in the ancient Greece or the French Revolution's effect on political thought. Key thinker Karl Marx, Alex de Tocqueville, 5. Structural functional approach focuses on how political structure, institutions, and their functions interact to maintain stability and order in society. Examples: political institutions like legislature, executive, and judiciary, and how they contribute to the function of the state. Key thinker is Talcott Parsons and Gabriela Almonds. 6 is critical theory, originated from Frankfurt School and Marxist theorist, critique existing power structure, ideologies, and systems that perpetuated inequality and exploitations, aims to transform society through the critique of dominant ideologies, that is capitalism and patriarchy. Key thinker Theodore Adorno, Max Horkhe, Elmer, and Herbert Marcus. Next is feminist political theory, focuses on understanding how gender influences politics and how political systems have marginalized women and other gender minorities, seeks to challenge and deconstruct patriarchal system in the politics. Key thinker Simon de Beauvoir and Judith Butler, Marty Nussbaum, and next is postmodernism, challenges the grand narratives or universal truth of traditional politics, emphasize the relativity of political concept and deconstruction of established norms, focuses on how language and cultural narratives shape our understanding of politics and power. For this key thinker was Michael Foucault and Jacques Derrida. This is the uh, short essay type for understanding, and it will be elaborated each and every term and section will be elaborated in latter stage. First we will complete all the chapter in short manner. After that we will elaborate each and every chapter to the maximum what would be possible for me to provide you. Okay, all the best. Thank you. Please subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much. All the best.